Hey, welcome back. I'm Alex, and in this video, we're going to talk about the power of email and why I believe list monetization is the lowest hanging fruit in any and every single business. So I'll start by walking you through the core revenue generators of an online business, and then I'll share the 10 reasons you need to be paying more attention to your email marketing. All right, so let's dive in. I'm going to start by sharing the 3 core revenue generators in every single business. Now, online businesses obviously are complex. There are funnels, there is tons of different marketing initiatives going on simultaneously, but it really boils down to just 3 core revenue generators or 3 core marketing activities. The first is traffic, right? So this is eyeballs seeing your stuff, whether it be impressions or views or people landing on your website or opening your emails, right? This could be affiliate traffic. So when anyone endorses your brand or business. This could be paid traffic. There are tons of different types of paid media out there, Facebook ads, Google AdWords, right? Any sort of paid media traffic. Then of course you have social media or any sort of content marketing, whether it be through Instagram or YouTube. And then finally you have organic traffic, which would be SEO in the search engines, right? Using SEO to rank and have your content get organic traffic from the search engines. So that's the first core revenue generator. Very, very important, of course, in any business. Now, the second core revenue generator is conversions. So this is how do you take all of those eyeballs that are viewing your content, coming to your website, and actually convert them into leads and into customers. So when you're really looking at this core revenue generator and how to use it to increase revenue, you want to look at things like how do you increase opt-in conversion rate? How do you increase the tripwire conversion rate? How do you increase the upsell conversion rate? How do you increase your webinar conversion rate, right? These are all the assets in your business that basically turn those eyeballs into leads and those leads into customers. Now, the final core revenue generator is my favorite, and it's one that's not often talked about, right? We always hear about Traffic and Conversion Summit, right? One of my favorite events to go to every single year. But list monetization is basically sending emails to your database of subscribers. Now, this can happen in 2 ways. One, through autoresponders, right? So this is what I would call evergreen offers. You get people onto your list, and then through a series of autoresponder emails, you present them with an offer, right? So that is, automated list monetization. The second is list promotions, right? And this is real-time email marketing campaigns that are being sent to your list in real time. So they're not automated. They are going out to everyone at the same time. Now, why I like to break down core revenue generators in businesses is that really those are 3 main levers that you can pull in your business to grow your business, right? You can say, okay, send more traffic, cha-ching. You can say, okay, let's increase our conversion rate, cha-ching. But of course you could say, how do we squeeze the most profit out of our email list? And that is what we're going to be talking about today. You already know that because you know I'm obsessed with email marketing. So of course, a lot of these strategies and all of this really applies to automated, autoresponder email marketing as well. But I want to talk specifically about doing real-time promotions to your database of subscribers. And I want to quickly break down a key distinction between launches and promotions. So you'll hear this language used a lot in the industry. Oh my gosh, I'm doing a launch. I'm in launch mode. Or, hey, I'm currently running a promotion. Now, oftentimes those 2 terms are used interchangeably, but I actually see them very differently. So I'm going to kind of define what each one of those means to me. So when I hear of a launch, I think of a large orchestrated event. Oftentimes you are promoting something for the very first time, right? Oftentimes you have affiliates that you have to court and manage. So you're not just doing an internal launch, you're actually bringing in a lot of partners and joint venture strategic affiliates to promote your stuff. So it takes quite a bit of time, effort, and organization, right? There are often a lot of moving parts, especially if it's a brand new product. Think of everything you have to get set up in the back end to make sure that launch goes smoothly. You have to create the product. You have to load it up into the membership site if we're talking about, an info marketing type of program. You have to get it all ready, make sure all of the, zaps and back end integrations are firing properly, right? It's quite a big process. It's also a ton of work. Oftentimes when you're in launch mode, the entire team has their focus on that launch. So quite often they're dropping everything else and they're focusing just on what's happening in that launch. And then, it's a new offer, as I mentioned earlier, so a lot of that back-end setup. Promotions, on the other hand, I really think of as internal. So you're not having to worry about a lot of affiliates, right? You are just promoting your internal email database. Also, promotions are quite plug and play. So oftentimes it is not a brand new offer. It is a product that you have already available in the market, and you're simply doing a special promotion on it, if you will, and promoting that to your database of subscribers. The best part is it happens in parallel to all of your other marketing initiatives. So all of your Facebook ads can still, run, all of your social media can still move forward as usual. Your autoresponder emails are still going out, but this really is just sort of a plug and play promotion, a templated offer that you are sending out to your list over, let's say, a series of a week. And quite often it's sent to a proven and optimized offer, which means you can pretty well guess that it's going to convert, that it's going to sell because it has sold before. So that is what I'm talking about today, specifically promotions. So you have a proven offer, you have a product that is sitting on the shelf, if you will. It is available to the market, and you're going, okay, well, it's there. Anyone can go buy it at any point in time. Why do I need to actually actively promote it? I can just be focusing on new launches and new offers and all of that fun stuff, which is great. And you absolutely should be launching new products into the marketplace. But I bet you are leaving a lot of money on the table if you are not actively promoting your current products, or if you're a copywriter and you're working with clients and your client's like, no, we just do 4 launches a year. We don't worry about promoting our existing products. Then this is a huge opportunity for you to come in and lead with crazy value. All right.